Hello, it is Melanie Albert here with Experience Nutrition, and I'm author of the cookbook, A New View of Healthy Eating. And today I am going to share with you how to make one of my very favorite snacks, and it's hummus. So what I'm going to do is something a little bit different. I'm going to be creating all different kinds of hummuses, a little bit of intuitive cooking here, because I know everybody at home will have different kinds of ingredients while you're cooking at home this week. So we're always going to start with chickpeas. And I also have some chickpea juice here, which is basically the water from the beans when they cooked. We have citrus, so I have some lemons and oranges, some olive oil, and I know that everybody might not have tahini, which is actually sesame seeds ground up. So I am actually going to be experimenting with sunflower seeds and some walnuts, and some of the flavorings are the popular cumin, and I love coriander. I also have turmeric and some previously dehydrated beets. So I'm going to have fun creating hummus, and when I'm finished, I'm going to share with you some hummus creations to give you ideas to make your own hummus at home. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. So this hummus is going to be pretty classic. It's going to start with chickpeas. It has tahini in it with sesame seeds, a little bit of extra flavor, garlic, cumin, and coriander. I'm going to hand grind both of those. Sea salt, which always enhances the flavor. Some citrus is going to be the lemon. A little bit of olive oil to bring out the flavor. And once I have that base hummus, I'm going to make two other hummuses with that base. So one is going to be turmeric with a little bit of black pepper, and the other hummus will be made with the dehydrated beets. So one batch of hummus, 3 ways. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'm looking forward to sharing the recipe with you. Before I start processing the ingredients for the hummus in the food processor, I'm going to get the ingredients prepped. So I'm going to mortar and pestle the cumin and the coriander. And then I'm going to zest the lemon. And I'm going to mince the garlic. So I'm hand grinding the cumin and the coriander. And I have to tell you, the aromatherapy of this is absolutely incredible. And also the mindfulness, it really brings you in touch with being in the kitchen and cooking. So again, I'm hand grinding the cumin and the coriander. It's going to take a few minutes. So I like to use a microplane grater to zest any kind of citrus. And again, it's part of the mindfulness, the essential oils coming out of the skin of the lemon. And I'm actually going to be adding the lemon zest into the hummus, along with some of the lemon juice. All of the ingredients are ready, so the mise en place is set, everything into place to begin making the hummus, everything into the food processor. So we have the chickpeas, chickpea water, tahini, sesame seeds, cumin and coriander hand ground, the garlic minced, olive oil, lemon zest, the lemon juice, and the sea salt. All of the ingredients are now in the food processor. I'm going to process them for a few minutes. I'll add in a little bit of chickpea water if it seems to be a little bit too thick. And near the end, I'm going to stream in some olive oil to make the hummus nice and smooth. The hummus is looking nice and smooth. I did add some of the chickpea water and the olive oil. I'm going to divide this into 3 sections. One batch is going to be the classic, the other one is going to be turmeric, and the last one will be beet hummus. For the beet hummus, first I'm going to process the dehydrated beets in the NutriBullet and make it into powder, and then I'm going to add that powder to the previously made hummus, and we will have beet hummus. So there's the beautiful beet powder from the dehydrated beets. I'm going to process that with the hummus, and we will have beet hummus. I'm happy to share with you the hummus, the walnut orange, sunflower seed lemon, all garnished with edible flowers. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.